Okay, moving on. Nabalitaan niyo naman siguro yung may sunog. Nagkasunog sa isang office sa Quezon City. Yung office na yon is under the DPWH. Specifically, the Bureau of Research and Standards. Note natin yung Bureau of Research and Standards or BRS, key ng DPWH office na responsible for material testing and setting technical standards for government infrastructure. Yun ang trabaho ng office na yun. Nasunog siya. So, hindi ba na-test yung material or hindi na-set yung technical standards ng building nila? So,
may nakalimutan eh.
Seriously. Either there's something there that you don't want anybody else discovering, like I don't know, all of the 90s porn in there. Maybe your Labu girl,
yung browser history
devices
is
collection
employee
in that computer. You know what? You know what? Setting it on fire, allegedly. Okay, they could have just took out the hard drive or just took out the computer somewhere else, replaced it with something else. Really, fire hazard? Setting it on fire.
Claim insurance on it. You can't claim insurance on just taking out the hard drive. If you set a fire to the building, then you don't just destroy the material. You can also claim insurance.
I don't think they're smart enough to even do that.
May surplus tayo next year eh. Saan natin gagamitin para ayusin natin yung bagong infrastructure ng building.
Sorry, our computer broke down, sir. It burned to ashes. Can we request for another one? How much is gonna cost this time? Give or take 2,000.
Yung kailangan natin lagyan ng art ng 509
i7 AM Ryzen.
Yeah.
Yung ginawa nila last time doon sa server nila.
Yung 10 million server, yung 10 million pesos, yung 10 million pesos.
And then meron na naman after nun,
yung laptop
ROG
naman,
laptop
yung 930,000 na 5 laptop naman.
Ano research?
Gaming.
Doing the dark ages.
For academical purposes.
Yeah.
Pero kasi ang initial report nila daw, actually medyo magulo kung alin yung nauna or alin yung first or second report. Basta yung isang report ang sabi, meron daw sumabog na computer kaya nasunog yung building. Sumabog yung computer. Tapos meron na namang isa na lumabas, faulty wiring naman daw. So, pero yung nandun sa official website ng DPWH, sumabog daw yung computer.
Official Facebook nila.
Ayun, official Facebook page na sumabog daw yung computer.
Really?
What?
Conveniently, after all of the things that's happening right now with DPWH.
Ayun.
This happens.
Yes.
The timing, very coincidental. Oh, what?
No.
So very unfortunate. Oh, good Lord. Thank God no one got hurt. Just the computers. Oh no. No.
Walang tao sa loob. Walang so.
Wait lang.
Please make sure it looks like an accident.
Okay, so that's all our topics for today. So kung meron po kayong topic suggestion, feel free to leave comments sa mga social media na makikita nyo kami. Ayan, just search for PinoyGamer or PinoyGamer.ph. And shout out po sa mga sumusunod.
Yeah, shout out to the following. So, Wilhelm Gaming, Gijon, Zedrak Zeros, Enslin Porter, Tito Popoy, Power Ranger, Demon Lord Revan, Izuria, Mamay Taunot, Doomweaver, Foxbane Chill, Todd Segi, Pebbles Gaming, Chimkin Burrito. And then salamat din sa mga chatters natin, sila Kuma March, GM Shadow Games, and Kent Puccino, Joe Maruti, sino ba? Mark Strangeles, si Premier Avenue kanina, si Avian2X, nandito rin siya. Yeah, and then Gijon, yun. So naman, Torns Hub, sorry.
Kanina iba yung nasabi.
And then si,
Dan and Miss I, they're covering, especially with Miss I. She just went under a major surgery. Stay strong, Miss I. We'll see you in the show.
Yeah, so may additional pa kayong gusto i-shoutout? Go ahead.
Not so much. We're just very thankful. Maraming salamat sa Pinoy Gamer for hosting us. Maraming salamat sa inyo. Napakabait ninyo. And the audience. You guys have a great audience. Very active sila and masaya sila kausap din. Ayos sila.
I think this would be the best time to do this. We would like for them to be in our show.
Yeah.
Yes.
Check us out.
Timeless Gamers Show. Pasok tayo doon. Go.